Hey, could you turn that classical music down?
This is music with class, though.
Well, you know what? I really don't care. Why are we going to this anyway? It's not like we're gonna have fun.
Chris, we'll be mingling with the top class of our neighborhood. And this antique club is the talk of the school.
Yeah, well, you know what? Whatever.
Chris, what do you see when you look into our future? Because I know what I see. I see popularity and luxuries and Hitchcock movie nights, H cheese and crackers. But what do you see?
Boobies.
I mean, why a woman as poor as she would expect me to solve all her problems is beyond my comprehension. So then I tell her. Go on the street corner if you want some money!
Like a whore.
So, you guys, have you ever thought about possibly whoa! Sorry, I've never been the most coordinated gentleman.
We're very clumsy.
Chris, shall we go get some drinks?
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah.
Do you even know where the drinks are kept?
Nope.
Dude, if we mess up one more time, we're gonna be out of here for good.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to be here in the first place.
You said you wanted to meet some women.
That's before I saw what they looked like.
You know what? Find some lemonade. Hey, I found the lemonade!
I mean, why a woman as poor as she would expect me to solve all her problems is beyond my comprehension. So I said to her,
Go stand at the street corner and make some money.
too predictable I am for you, Christopher?
Excuse me, I need to go buy a yacht.
Chris, where are you going?
How dare you! Both of you! Get out of here! Get out of here!
But Sir Paul,
So I was walking over there and I noticed you on the monkey bars here. And let me start over. So I noticed you from across the way over there because I was taking my afternoon walk, and can I just say that, golly, you're pretty.
Oh, well, thank you.
Would you like to come get a cup of coffee with me, miss?
DeLorean. And yes, I would.
Hello?
Hey Chris, I think we should talk to Sir Paul and try to get back in the Antiques Club.
Look, Marty, I just don't have time for such trivial pursuits anymore. I'm on to way better things than wasting time with fruity antique club kids.
What? But I...
Look, I'm really busy right now, and I'll call you back someday. Or maybe not. Peace. Marty?
What's up, dude? Wanna go see a movie?
Chris, who's at the door?
Who's that?
No one. Hang back, woman! So, as you can see, I'm a little bit busy right now.
Maybe you wanna hang tomorrow?
Nope, I don't think so. Living the dream, man. I told you about this.
What happened to you? Why the jerkiness?
I'm not being a jerk, I'm just being honest. I've got a girlfriend now. I mean, maybe it's time you grew up too.
Grow up? So girls are more important than friends?
Yes. Now leave.
Whatever. Oh, Chris?
What?
Have fun with your boobies.
Marty. Okay, it's not that sad.
Are you kidding me?
It's Garfield the movie.
You're mean.
Yeah, well, you know what? I don't feel too good right now. Maybe you should take your Garfield tears and leave.
Good, I don't feel like being here anyway.
Well, you smell like old rice-a-roni.
Good, your nose is bleeding.
Yeah, well, you... Really? Oh, crap.
They made a statue of us. And put it on a mountaintop.
So I said to her, why don't you go on the straight corner if you want some money?
Funny joke, Sir Paul.
So I've been thinking, how would you both like to be the official spokespeople for the Antique Club for Kids?
It's up to you, Marty.
Well,
So why'd you change your mind about joining the club, man?
I don't know, I guess I realized who needs a stupid little club when you got your best buddy.
That's true.
You know, we'd suck without each other.
We really would. But at least we'll never know what that's like.
Why are you winking? I mean...
What the f-